For thousands of years, the world was a collection of secrets. On the shores of Europe and Africa, people believed the horizon was the end of existence. In the Americas, tribes looked at the endless blue and saw only a watery void. Out of sight, out of mind. This silence could have lasted forever. But then came the 15th century. A shift in international power was about to force the old world out of its comfort zone and into the unknown. And the catalyst? The rise of the Muslim conquerors. Before the 15th century, the Roman Empire was the world's superpower. But as centuries passed, it withered, until all that remained was the city of Constantinople, a city of memories and massive walls. In 1453, Sultan Muhammad Fateh conquered the city, renaming it Istanbul. The last vestige of Roman power was gone. For Europe, this was a disaster. Constantinople wasn't just a holy city of Orthodox Christianity. It was the lifeline of global trade. All the luxuries of Asia, Chinese silk, Indian spices, precious gold, passed through this route. When the Turks closed the gates, Europe's economy collapsed. Poverty turned into agony. Families driven by hunger abandoned their children. Debt-ridden farmers took their own lives. In the streets of Europe, people began to walk looking upward, not in prayer, but in fear. Criminals would drop stones from rooftops to crush the heads of passers-by just to steal the clothes off their backs. Beyond the hunger, there was a spiritual crisis. The hub of Christianity felt under siege. To the religious and commercial classes, it felt like their world was shrinking. They needed an exit. They needed a new world. Desperate for hope, Europeans turned to a 150-year-old travelogue by Marco Polo. He spoke of Cathay, China, and Cipango, Japan, where the roofs of palaces were allegedly made of pure gold and the floors were plated in wealth. The youth of Europe were inspired, but they were trapped. The land route was blocked by the Turks. The sea route was held by the Mamluks of Egypt. Europe was a besieged fortress. Out of this desperation stepped a little-known Italian sailor from Genoa, Christopher Columbus. He claimed to have the answer, a shortcut straight across the Atlantic. Columbus wasn't just chasing gold. He called himself the Christ bearer. Just as the legendary Saint Christopher carried Jesus across a river, Columbus believed he was destined to carry the sinking ship of Christianity to a new golden empire. He traveled from Italy to Portugal, from Portugal to England, pitching his dream. He was rejected everywhere, until 1491. As the last Muslim stronghold in Spain, Granada, fell, Queen Isabella finally listened. Driven by greed for gold and a desire to spread the faith, she gave him her blessing. Columbus had his victory, but Queen Isabella did not know that she was being deceived, and she wasn't the only one. Columbus was hiding a secret from his crew, a deception so dangerous it would eventually lead them to plan his murder. What was the lie that risked everyone's life? And what happens when a dream of Asia turns into the discovery of a lifetime? Find out in the next episode. Like the video? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to support the channel.